Hey everyone out there, it's Roberto Miki again, and we've got another great hand question of the week. It's number 32 in our series of questions for medical students, residents, and fellows studying for the boards or in training exams. Well, let's get right into it. It's a scapholunate ligament anatomy question. Which statement best describes the scapholunate ligament? A, dorsal and volar regions have equal strength. B, mid-substance is strongest. C, dorsal region is thickest. D, volar region is thickest. E, volar region is strongest. Well, here's your chance to pause the video so you can think about the question and answer it. The scapholunate ligament is composed of three sections: volar, dorsal, and proximal. The dorsal section is the thickest and strongest. The volar section is the thinnest. Well, so the answer is dorsal region is thickest. That's C. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe to help support this channel.